How to blur or unblur wallpaper on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, swipe down from the top left of your screen and you will be led to your lock screen. Here tap hold on it and you will see the option for customize and you will also see the plus icon. You can tap on the plus icon you see there and then go ahead and choose a new wallpaper for your wallpaper. Once you have selected a picture for your wallpaper, go ahead and make any required changes on the screen, and once you are done making the required changes, tap on the add option you see there, and now in the next interface, you will see two options. So tap on the customize home screen option you see there, and you will see the option for blur. So you can tap on the blur option to unblur it, or you can tap on the blur option again to blur it. You can simply tap on the blur option depending on your preference, and once you are done making the changes, tap on the done option you see there on the top right of your screen, and with this, the changes that you made will be changed. So this was about how you can blur or unblur wallpaper on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.